Good evening, Northeast State Nagamis News viewers Khan Anjilaga main headlines. Tuli coal miners pra flat nimite allegations Ola Khan reject Rishi. Assam Arunachal border te Jamala Ola pichte duita states aga chief minister pra peace nimite appeal Krishi. Naga Students Federation pra Vande Mataram compulsory kuridia nimite students Khan ke Independence Day celebration te participate na korble directive issue Krishi. All Nagaland College Students Union pra promotion nimite PhD criteria hatai dibule plan krato against Krishi. Tuli Area Coal Mining Contractors Association TACMCA pra all of time age flat or landslide aha opor concern or allegations olaikina jai thaka majuti sobke thanda rakhikina eneka time te kilogote khara koribule appeal Krishi. Manu Mura, Gor Bia Hua, Property or Infrastructures Kan Bia Hua Opor Concern Junadikina, TACMCA Pra Manu Khan ki kutik proof natakikina, Manu Organization State Nahole Community ke blame na korble urge Krishi. July 18 Tarik din Mokokchong, Mon, Longland or Wokha districts te panektam bishi girikina flash floods conditions nishna Huato, Junadikina Association, Junashiki tuto alak alak reasons milaikina, natural calamity hua hisabte sabule lage koishi. TACMC Junashiki Nagaland bi ektam biapra affect hoise kote Tuli area te to bar dangor floods record korise juntu to ektam rear kitiabi noha laga hoa record korise koikina junadeshe Mon district te bi landslide te manu murise property bia hoise ar manu bishi laga livelihoods affect hoikina ase koise Tuli Mon Dimapur ar Nagaland naga dusra part se reportedly 1000 nishna ghor affect hoise koikina junadeshe Association pra Assam or Nagaland te thaka communities ke ekjun ke blame korikina division nani bole urge korikina natural calamity to state laga boundary saikina nahe koise aru enika time te morom cooperation relief rehabilitation aru kinika korikina bia hua khan aru banabo ito opor mon dibole lage korikina junadeshe Konyak Union Nagini Mora Unit B July 19 tarik din Assam te flood ahato Nagini Mora te coal mining koila mine kwa laga connection te hua laga ase koikina Allegations olai thakato reject korikina ituto Nagaland laga eastern aru ito osor area se bishi dere pra pani girani mitehi ase koikina junadeshe Nagini Morate press conference se kotha korikina union leaders junashe ki region te 12 to 15 hours ektam pani bishi girishi koise kote vice president Wangkai pra pani girato 30 to 34 hours cholikina ja junadeshe secretary Chinke junashe ki eastern Nagaland te pra pani bishi Assam fale jai koise kote Dikhu ar Brahmaputra nodite agete pra pani ektam bishi ase koikina junadeshe Chingebi Nagaland naga dam te pra pani charishe ko claim to reject korikina eneka dam ku nai koise Wangkai junashe ki area te coal mining to ja 30 sal pra korikina hi ase aru flood itu mining nimite hoy ase koikina ku scientific proof nai koikina junadeshe union pra flood to pani bishi gira ar dusra environmental issues nimite hwa laga hi ase koikina junadeshe Assam Arunachal Pradesh border Sila Pathar Lika Bali area te Jamala olaikina aji firing or protest hopichte Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma or Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu pra peace or ekjun ke mutual respect dekina thakibole appeal krishi Khandu junashe ki duita states bishi bal history friendship or brotherhood share korikina aishi koikina eneka Jamala Khanto violence pra nohaikina kotha or peaceful tarika pra resolve korble urge koise Sarma junashe ki bishi ola border jamala to dialogue kotha prahi solve hoise koise kote itia khali 52 nishna busti under discussion ase koikina junadeshe area te pathor phelabi report koise kote police or CRPF personnel bi attack hoise koikina state koise Naga Students Federation NSF Pratakanaga federating units or subordinate bodies ke official functions law time Indian National Song Vande Mataram Gana Bajabole Nahole Kuribule compulsory Kuridia order to officially cancel Kuri Nadia Tak schools or educational institutions Khan 2026 Independence Day program te students Khan ke participate Kuribule Jabole Nadia to ensure Kuribule direct rishi notification to NSF President Tay Suding or General Secretary Kenilo Kent Junashe ki takan Independence Day mana Nahole national flag national anthem or dusra national symbols chola oporko against kralaga nohoy koise Holibi tekhan laga man concern to Vande Mataram junto non-Hindu students khan laga bisas laga opposite hubole pare itute students khan ke compulsorily participate koribole dia opor ase koikina junadeshe NSF junashe ki India constitution pra NSF junashe ki Indian constitution pra manu sob ke nijor laga religion ar bisas cholabole right de koise itu nimite students kun ke bi eneka activities junto tekhan laga personal bisas against jabole de enekate participate korble jobardasti na korble lage koikna junadeshe NSFP government ke takan age te Ministry of Home Affairs laga January 28, 2026 communication juntu pra Vande Mataram baja kura aru promote kura against kurato arubi ekbar junadishe NSF junashiki to pra Naga Manu majute concern olaikina Article 371A under Naga Manu laga religion or social practices protect kurble special constitutional protection te digdar hobule pare koikina junadishe Federation Pratakhan naga units ke schools or colleges ke takhan naga stand to junadikina student kun ke bhi Vande Mataram te participate nakra nimite punish dhamki discriminate nohile academically affect nakurble ensure kurble junadishe takhan junashe ke issue to federation rights bisas identity our students jawan manu or naga manu laga freedom to peaceful or democratic tarika pra bachai kina issue raise korikina jabo koshe Our Students Conference, AKM Angami Students Union, ASU or Chakasang Students Union, CSUB, Naga Students Federation K to apport Akanaga support Junadashi. All Nagaland College Students Union Ansu Associate Professor or Professor Te promote Kurbanimite PhD Lagato Hatai Dibule Plan Kurato strongly against Kurishi. That can be government sub gaze ad hoc or contract lecturers ke thick rules or qualifications not like na permanently kam diato oppose Kurishi. Chief Secretary के representation te Ansu President Kivika Yapto और General Secretary Sotilo Tab Junashi की proposal इटतो Nagaland Higher Education Service Rules 2015 are applicable University Grants Commission UGC regulation लगा against ऐसे कोई Union Junashi की Associate Professor और Professor निश्ना Higher Level Teacher लगा post promote hubo nimite PhD to important ase ko aikina junadishi Union Junashi ki ekta professor hobole nohole promote hubo nimite to PhD compulsory ase kote assistant professor ke associate professor te promote korble teaching experience academic kam research publications or dusra qualification logote itu relevant field te PhD lage ko aikina state krishi Ansu Junashi ki qualification into kan thik legal nohole official approval na thakikina hatai dia pra teaching, research, student guidance or colleges or universities cholabole bhal quality lagato affect hobo ko aikina junadishi ta can be warn krishi ke eneka kura pra manu kan teacher appoint or promote kurate pra bisas hari jabo koise union bi sob guest ad hoc or contract lecturers pra academic activities or students semete kam korikina hato acknowledge korishi hoili bi regularization to against ase ko aikina junadishi Ansu Junashi ki guest ad hoc or contract lecturers sob ke permanent kam dia pra hazar nishna manukun competitive recruitment through teachers hubole qualified ase takhan ke fear chance pabule te pra rokhai dia nishna hi hubo ko aikina junadishi Ansu pra state government or concerned department ke associate professor or professor te promote kurbonimite PhD lagato hatai na dibole junadikina takhan bi itya taka guest ad hoc or contract lecturer khan ke thik tak recruitment process nachlaikina permanent kuri na dibole junadishi Union bi age jaikina government college te thaka teaching post kanto NPSC through he recruit kurble junadishi Ansu Junashi ki takan teachers kan naga genuine rights against nohoy aru takanto itya thaka higher education rules to bachaikina teachers students or teachers subule thaka khanimite fairness ensure kurble kurahi ase koikina state krishi